I hate this issue today, and here is the quick fix that solved it. If your payment isn't going through on PayPal, don't worry, here is a straightforward guide to help you troubleshoot. Step 1. Check your payment method. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the extra.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 2. Review your PayPal account status. Log into your PayPal account and check for any alerts or limitations. If your account is limited, you may need to resolve that before making payments. Step 3. Clear browser cache. If you're using a web browser, clearing your cache can resolve issues with loading and processing payments. Go to your browser settings and clear the cache. Step 4. Update PayPal app. If you were using the PayPal app, ensure it is updated to the latest version. An outdated app can lead to bugs and payment issues. Step 5. Contact PayPal support. If none of the above steps work, reach out to PayPal customer support for assistance. They can provide specific insights into your account and payment issues. Hopefully, these steps help you get your payment through without any hassle. If you have any other questions, feel free to ask.